Leonardo is a global defence, aerospace and security company that seeks to enable our clients' success through working creatively, innovatively and delivering technologically advanced solutions. We're here in Australia with an entity as Leonardo Australia, and we represent that global entity and bring forth all of everything that Leonardo has globally into the Australian market. Leonardo are at land forces because we are within all domains and land is important to us. We seek to broaden our scope of influence within the Australian market in that land domain, and we're bringing forth those products from our companies overseas into that domain, bringing forth the Leonardo DRS products out of the US and also some of our UK-based Five Eyes opportunities into the Australian market. Leonardo offers to Australian defence a history and a legacy of industrial capability. We have a long history within providing to Australian defence. We first provided torpedoes into Australia in 1885. We also have a very innovative approach. We are seeking to develop previously unimagined technologies and delivering that or realising that, and we're seeking to bring that to Australia. Leonardo's biggest opportunities in Australia are likely to be in that cross-domain area. What do I mean by that? So single domains will need to sort of launch into that joint space, and Leonardo has the capabilities to do that. So areas like space, undertaking operations within the space realm that influence land, sea and air. And so those cross-domain type opportunities are sort of where we see our opportunities within Leonardo. Some other areas that we were particularly interested in are delivering items like the lead-in fighter training system, replacing the current capability. Our platform, the M346, is a perfect capability to deliver a transition for pilot training into the JSF capability. Other areas are some of our future naval communications, naval weapons. Obviously the strong bent within sovereign capability and areas of guided munitions are a strong interest to Leonardo, and we see some great capabilities that we could introduce into Australia in that area. Leonardo doesn't see too many impediments. An area of constraint potentially is the ability to address all aspects of the market. There is a vast array of opportunities within the Australian defence market at the moment, and coming in the next few years. We see that one of the largest challenges is going to be able to address all of those opportunities with our current level of resourcing. Leonardo hasn't really been long-term affected by COVID. We've obviously experienced, like many, some initial downturn and some challenges, but it's actually changed the paradigm with which we view our work opportunities. So it's allowed us to remove any geographic centres of gravity, be more agile in our approach and our utilisation of resources, including our workforce. So sort of focusing the question, I would see that COVID, whilst it did provide those initial challenges, it's actually enabled us to become stronger and more resilient for future.